In the early 2000s, gasoline cars filled streets. Most thought electric cars were impractical. California engineers dreamed. In 2003, Eberhard and Tarpenning founded Tesla Motors. Their idea, a fast electric car to compete with gasoline vehicles. Initially, investors dismissed them. Eberhard and Tarpenning continued. They built prototypes. The car moved faster than expected. Straubel and Wright joined, but building a car needed funding. Elon Musk invested millions, becoming chairman, believing in a cleaner future. In 2006, Tesla unveiled the Roadster, a fast car that shocked the world. It accelerated quickly, proving electric cars could be powerful. Despite success, Tesla faced delays, costs, and problems. Elon Musk risked his fortune to keep the company alive. In 2008, the Tesla Roadster hit the market, traveling 200 miles. This marked a revolution, proving electric cars were the future. From a garage to the global stage, Tesla's chapter was about courage, vision. Tesla's Roadster amazed the world with electric speed. A storm threatened Tesla. The 2008 crash devastated economy. Tesla, young and broke, neared bankruptcy as investors withdrew. Musk risked everything from PayPal. Quitting wasn't an option. Musk sold possessions, risking all to save Tesla. 2 weeks remained. A Daimler deal and U.S. loan saved Tesla. Musk wanted a revolutionary electric car. Roadster was costly. Tesla needed an everyday, powerful, luxurious car, Model S. Musk demanded perfection, rivaling top brands with Model S. Critics doubted Model S range, but it exceeded expectations. Tesla became future's symbol, winning Car of the Year. Supercharger stations enabled Tesla's long-distance travel. Tesla faced delays, criticism, many predicted failure. Tesla grew stronger. Model S became globally loved by 2015. A dream became movement. The future belongs to electricity. Model S inspired electric dream, transforming car industry. By 2015, Tesla was a globally recognized car company. The Model S, a masterpiece. Elon Musk envisioned changing the world's energy system. Musk believed humanity's future relied on sustainable energy. Tesla aimed to end oil dependence. In 2015, Tesla introduced the Powerwall, storing solar electricity, reducing grid reliance. The solar roof captured sunlight, turning Tesla into an energy company after acquiring SolarCity. Tesla aimed for mass-market appeal, dreaming of the affordable Model 3. Building the Model 3 involved production hall at Gigafactory, Nevada, crucial for production. Despite challenges, Musk's dedication improved production. In 2017, the first Model 3 was delivered, a mainstream success. Tesla pushed technology with autopilot and expanded globally with Gigafactories in China, Europe. By 2020, Tesla was profitable. Its stock soared, becoming the world's most valuable car company. From Powerwall to Model 3, Tesla reshaped the planet, one battery, car, solar panel at a time. Tesla shocked the world by 2020. A dream became a global electric revolution leader. The company shaped technology, energy, transport. Pandemic struck, factories closed, sales dropped. Tesla stood firm. Innovation grew. It had vision. Tesla became the most valuable car company. Stock soared. It pushed humanity forward. Tesla's lineup expanded. Model 3 took roads. Elon Musk revealed Cybertruck. It had a bold, futuristic design. Some laughed, others amazed. Everyone talked. Tesla developed Semi. Roadster reached speeds. Optimus showed Tesla-led robotics, AI. Tesla built Gigafactories. Each factory had robots, tech. Tesla was ahead. It mastered batteries, built superchargers. Autopilot and FSD arrived. Musk called it the future, self-driving cars. Tesla powered the world sustainably. Tesla's energy projects powered cleanly. By 2025, Tesla symbolized progress. The company inspired generations. Every company raced to build electric cars. Tesla did the impossible. It changed energy, innovation thinking. Tesla proves no dream's too big.